all of you in our yoga session. Today we will learn some asanas for increasing our concentration power, especially for student. These are Tadasana and Vrikshasana. But before we started, I am gonna tell you that people who shouldn't try these asanas first, people who are suffering from knee pain, leg pain, and ankle pain, severe back pain, they should not try these asanas, and the pregnant lady should not try this asana. Rest people can do easily. So let's get started. Today we will learn some asanas for students for increasing their concentration power. So let's get started. Stand straight. Your leg and foot should be joined. Hands intercross fingers, make sure you don't wear any kind of ring in your fingers. Turn, inhale, breathe in, hands up, stretch, heels up, come on your toes, very good. Stretch your body, try to touch roof, stretch maximum you can, hold the posture, normal breathing, and the most important, look at in front of your eyes, just parallel to your eyes on a particular point so that you balance your body perfectly. Stretch your body and slowly breathe out, exhale, hands down and relax. Take deep breath, 2 to 3 deep breath, relax yourself. Now again repeat this practice for 3 to 4 times. Hands up, intercross your fingers. Inhale, hands up, heels up, come on your toes, stretch your body. Maximum stretch. Try to touch roof. Concentrate in front of your eyes. Focus a particular point. Normal breathing. Hold. Try to hold yourself 10 to 15 seconds and then slowly increase your holding 15 seconds to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like this. Now slowly down, breathe out, relax and hands down. Again take deep breath and relax. Now I am going to tell you the benefits of these asanas. Now we are doing together and we will learn. Intercross finger, turn, inhale up, stretch your body, heels up, come on your toes. Yes, very good. Look in front of your eyes. This asana increase your concentration power. When you look in front of your eyes on a particular point, it will increase your concentration power. From this asana, your body's 80% muscles are in working position, stretching position. Now slowly down, breathe out and relax. Take deep breath. This asana tone up your whole body, increase the flexibility of your body. It makes your posture, your back straight. It reduce the back pain and tone your whole body. Now, who shouldn't do this asana? The people who are suffering from knee pain, severe back pain, or any kind of foot pain, they will avoid. And if anyone have a minor pain in knees, they will do only like this, turn, inhale and up. They will not up their heels. The foot should be on floor and they stretch their body, their hands That's it. And slowly, slowly, hands down. And relax, deep breathe. I hope you can learn this and you will do this and enjoy the benefits of this asana. Thank you. Now after Tadasana, we will do our next concentration increasing asana, that is tree pose Vrikshasana. Now join your leg, left leg up, left leg put on your right thigh like this, hold it like this, open your hands and slowly, slowly hands out, breathe in and hands join. Look in front of your eyes, just parallel to your eyes on a particular point. Concentrate your body, make a posture, concentrate a particular point, try to hold in starting. If you can't hold like this, you can do it with wall. Now slowly, slowly hands down, breathe out, leg down, and now we will practice from another leg. Now from right leg up, right foot hold on your left thigh like this, hold it perfectly. Then after, open your hands and slowly, slowly hands out. Join your hands, deep breathe. Concentrate in front of your eyes on a particular point. Hold your body. Normal breathing. Don't hold your breath. And slowly, slowly hands down. Breathe out. Leg out. And relax. This asana will also increase your concentration power. When you look in front of your eyes on a particular point, it will increase your concentration power. Your mind ability will be increased, your memory will be increased. You can increase your posture and it will also helps in open your joints, and it also helps in open up hips joints, strengthen your legs, tone up your whole body and increase your concentration power. Now today we learn two asanas for increasing our concentration power. One is Tadasana and second is Vrikshasana. If we practice it regularly 2 to 3 times per day, increasing holding, we will find out that we increase our concentration power very well and our mental ability. Now, who shouldn't do this asana? Vrikshasana. First of all, the people who are suffering for joint pain, knee pain, leg pain, ankle pain, they shouldn't do this asana. The pregnant ladies and the people who are suffering from severe back pain or any kind of shoulder pain, if they are not able to open and up their hands, they will not do this. I hope you enjoy and learn this asana and you will practice these asanas. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.